Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You're under the car now. Start by unbolting the wheel and exposing the sway bar link. Spray penetrating oil on the nut and stud. This reduces rounded fasteners and makes removal predictable. Use a 14 mm to hold the link stud and a 17 mm socket for the nut or the sizes your car specifies. Once loosened slightly, support the control arm so the suspension doesn't drop suddenly. You want to see movement, but not full collapse. This protects components and keeps reassembly aligned. Now remove the nut completely and pull the sway bar link free. If the ball joint is frozen, use a pickle fork or press to separate carefully. Clean mating faces and apply a light anti-seize to threads to prevent future binding. Install the new or refurbished link, guiding the stud through both holes so alignment is natural, not forced. Hand thread the nut first to prevent cross-threading, then snug with a ratchet. Finally, use a torque wrench to set the specified value. This secures joint preload and prevents sway. After torquing the link, reinstall the wheel and lower the car to the ground so suspension sits at normal ride height. This ensures joint preload is correct. Retorque the link nut to spec once the weight is on the wheels. Then take a cautious road test, using bumps and slow turns to detect noise or looseness. If you still hear clunks or feel play, don't keep driving. Check control arm bushings and sway bar mounts next, because most persistent sway issues come from those worn components rather than the link itself.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.